It's the chart of account. Here you can see profit and loss, account types and balance sheet types. We have accounting system depends on the five major accounts like liability, expense, equity, assets, and different type of account we need. So guys, here we go. First, we know how to add a chart of account in the without any error. Go to data, select data validation, select list, go to chart of account, select the column where account head appears, press F4 for freeze the selected column. Now copy and paste the data validation for selected area. Now use the formula if error with VLOOKUP account head cell. Go to chart of account sheet, select column A and B, press F4 for freeze. In column 2, type 20 for true bracket close, enter. Copy and paste in selected area. Now same for account type. So here I am setting the date format where what I want. I have pressed Control 1. Now this is bank payment voucher, reference number, what's the transactions made, check number, then narration. In this entry, I'm injecting the cash into the business. Here is the injection of cash. Now bank debit, deposit the amount into business, 500k debit, 500k credit. Make second entry on cash purchases. Check number, narration, raw material. I'm purchasing here that type of different type of businesses and have a different type of activities. So I have entered here. You wanna what you want to enter here. It depends on the business nature. I have uh, set inventory here as a raw material waste. It's a asset, raw material waste, and I am purchasing on cash, so a light bank credit. If I type a wrong spelling in this account head, here I have entered a data validation from chart of account. I have picking all the accounts from chart of accounts. So if you have uh, if you didn't know the spelling very well, so you can find from the chart of account, copy paste, and here I have entered computer purchase for computer and accessories. I have created a debit. Now I am making a fourth entry. Fourth entry for withdraw amount for expenses, and given to this amount for expenses like I owe you. I owe you when the business depends like a petty cash expenses. I owe you. I have purchases. Now I'm going forward the 15.3 for credit purchases. I have typed here a Yasser account. He is the vendor of this business, like a vendor liability account, current liability. It's moved in the balance sheet as a current liability, as a vendor account. For time saving, I have posting all the entries now. Go to insert, add pivot table, and make it new sheet, set sheet name journal ledger. Add required data in it. I need date, narration, and account head, debit, credit. Then better arrange the data for better visible. Select field, make it sum, make it select field, make it sum. There is one thing missing in the ledger. Um, this is called a balance, where debit and credit minus what amount appears. So there we need a balance. Add field from option, write name balance, type is equal debit minus credit, and insert, make it sum. It will auto calculate the balances. here isn't showing the balance, so make it sum. Okay. Now the same reason I have missed one thing, so I am selecting the account like now it's working. The ledger. Make this better for add a slicer for accounts. What you wanna select like this is a method I have going done. So make it simple in the sheet. Select account type and account head, then check it accordingly. No, it's uh, pretty good. Here is the subtotal are showing. No? So go to design, subtotal, do not share subtotal. Now I have only the data. Now it's looking better. Now set the format, accounting format, like a currency format, what you want. Now it's done. For trial balance, move or now, now it's done. For trial balance, move or copy sheet type name, create a copy, type a name here, trial balance. If you are accountant, you may know these things are very well. What's the general ledger and what's the trial balance, what's the profit and loss statement, what's the balance sheet. Now in this video, I just prepare this your requirement. Now it's correct because the balance is nil. So trial balance, if the balance are equal, debit and credit are equal, trial balance shows the balance nil. That means you didn't make an error in the journal entries. Now we have done that. You can set format as per your requirement. I'm here typing the trial balance as a name. Finally, it's work. It auto add in the data validation set format. Thanking for watching the video. Just one thing I wanna check that the account, if I add in the chart of account, it will work or not. Let me check this or let me show you this. Again, thank you for watching this